Hey y'all, welcome to the Houston Gardening Novice channel. I'm a newbie gardener here in Houston, Texas, Zone 9B. Half the time I don't know what I'm doing, but I enjoy trying things out and figuring out what works for me. I hope you can join me in my gardening journey as I slowly work on building my backyard sanctuary. So today I want to go ahead and clean out this bed. This is my island bed. I want to go ahead and weed. There's quite a few weeds in here. I want to weed it, and then I'll be fertilizing using Holyton, which is right here. Organic fertilizer. I use Holyton pretty much in my whole garden. It's for acid-loving plants, and most of the things that I have are acid-loving. So just to make things easier, I just use Holyton or Garden Tone. So I'll be fertilizing using Holyton, and then I'll be mulching using this hardwood, Texas hardwood mulch. I think 6 bags should be enough for this bed. Maybe it will be 7, but I'm guessing 6 should be enough. But anyway, we'll see. So that's what I'm working on for today. This is part of the spring cleaning series that I started a couple of days ago. So for this year, I'm going slow. I'm tackling one bed at a time. I've already cleaned out the front beds, and I've cleaned out the my shade garden bed. I'll do this one next, and then maybe I'll get to the vegetable beds, and finally I'll end with the perimeter beds, which is the largest part, which is surrounding my backyard. But for today, this is what I want to work on. And most of the weeds in here are pretty much dichondra. There are a few broadleaf weeds, but most of it is dichondra, which has grown from the lawn and has crept into the beds. And to weed, I'll be using this 2-in-1 hoe and cultivator. It's pretty easy. I find it pretty easy to use for weeding purposes. It might take some time because this is a large bed, but let's see how much I can get through today. Okay, so that's the project for today. Okay, I'm done. I ended up using 4.5 bags. There's a half bag there and there's a full one here. So I was going to water, but I won't. Looks like it's about to rain, so I'll just wait and see how much rain we get. If it's not a lot, then I'll come back and water. But this bed is done. It's looking clean. So when I pruned after the snowstorm, there's quite a number of things that I pruned to the ground. So I don't know if they'll come back. If they do, they'll just find their way through the mulch. And there are some shrubs which are which should come back, definitely should come back. But some of the perennials, I'll see if they'll come back. Those ones I pruned down to the ground. But otherwise, I think the bed is looking good. It's now ready for spring. Let's see. Okay. The spring flowering shrubs like this Indian hawthorn will be blooming soon. See the buds, the flower buds have already set. This redbud, this Texas redbud, I already see there's one bud right there. So others should be coming soon. In any case, the bed is now ready. Next up, I'll be working on the vegetable beds, and then finish up with the biggest piece of the pie. But anyhow, I'll stop this video right here. I thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.